Well, you know, mortgage rates rose slightly yesterday, according to Credible, after falling dramatically in December. But it doesn't mean they are as high as they used to be. So I'm here now with realtor Burr, a good friend of our show here. Glad to have you. We know that so many people are looking to be in the market, whether they're buying or selling this year. How optimistic are you that things will be better, especially when it comes to mortgage rates?
Well, that's the whole key, the mortgage rates. They've dropped from 8% at the end of October to now about 6.5 to 6 3/4. And that affordability is what we really need to lock in 2024.
So what will we see in terms of trends? I'll say this, you know, I was looking late last year, the inventory was so low. And then also when it came to negotiations, I felt like it got unreasonable at points. How will the actual process change for people in the market, you think?
So we're just coming out of a hangover from the incredible market that we had for 2.5 years. With the 30-year fixed mortgage skyrocketing from sub 4% to 8% last year, we're just seeing a totally different market. And what that's doing is giving buyers more of an opportunity for negotiation. Really gone are the days where we're getting 5 or more offers on a property with the escalation clauses, particularly those listings that have been on the market for 2 or 3 weeks. Every new listing might have that kind of competition the first weekend, but after that, all bets are off.
Huh. So for people who are going, okay, if things are getting better, then I'll just wait until the rates are back around 4%. Would you advise that?
So we have to understand that 4% was as a result of a worldwide pandemic. The rates are not going to get that low again. In fact, where they are now at 6.5% on the 30-year fixed is really about where they would be historically. So this is probably where we're going to be for a long period of time. And so people shouldn't wait to hope that they're going to get back down again. If they do, they can always refinance after they initially buy their property at the higher rate.
Yeah, if you just want to get in there, you can always change it. Talk about the types of homes that we'll see that will be more available. I noticed a lot of condos and townhomes, not too many single-family homes. Will we see an increase in that area?
So when the market's under stress, as it is right now, it tends to support properties at the lower price ranges that are more affordable for people. There's more of a pool of buyers than those at the higher price ranges. So I think that real estate's really like a ladder. You have to make sure that the lower rungs get filled up before people can trade up. And that's, to me, what's so important. And really, it's up to our governments to have programs that help people get into their first houses so that people can eventually trade up.
Well, thank you so much. I mean, I could talk to you all hour, and that's why you're going to hang around, because I know at 8 o'clock you're going to sit down and speak with Steve about 5 things that people can do who are looking to sell and 5 things that people can do who are looking to buy. So, Burr, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
It's such a good wealth of information, and that's where you can follow him to learn more up until that point.